Are you tired of looking at dirt, stains, and buildup on your home's exterior? What if you could bring back that fresh, clean look without the hassle? Welcome to DB360 Soft Wash, your trusted solution for safe, effective, and professional house washing. At DB360, we don't just clean and we restore. Using advanced soft wash technology, we remove dirt, mold, mildew, and algae without damaging your home's surfaces. That means a deeper clean, longer lasting results, and total peace of mind. Whether it's your siding, roof, driveway, or outdoor spaces, our team is committed to delivering top quality results with reliable service, attention to detail, and customer satisfaction as our priority. DB360 Soft Wash is the smart choice for homeowners who care about their property. Call us today at 717-691-1712 or visit db360wash.com to book your service.